All right guys, what's up? Welcome to another video. We got an absolutely gorgeous morning. Sun's coming up. A nice yacht and its little tiny little 36-foot center console sitting behind it, enjoying the same view. Using a new setup though. I just picked this up, Dio Harrier 6'6", Quantum Accurus, 10-pound braid, 1.5 ounce funky bucktail, of course, like always, pink and white, 20-pound fluorocarbon leader, and check out this beautiful squid teaser. That's sick. I hope we catch some like hammer sea bass on that thing. Check this thing out. This thing is freaking sweet. Look at that beautiful squid rig. All right, so on that squid rig, we're gonna use one of these Fat Cow jig strips, 5.5 inch eel tail. Because of the epoxy, I can't really snake a piece of gulp down on there. This thing's pretty hard, very hard actually. So we're just gonna put a jig strip on there. Sea bass will love it. And we'll see, we'll do like a scented versus unscented test. See how we do. All right, and then we're gonna give this product a shot. If I could find it. So when I went to buy this rod from Kenny at Tight Lines Tackle, if you don't know where that is, it's in Sag Harbor on Bay Street. It's in a marina. I forgot the name of the marina, but it is a very awesome store. If you could get in there, check it out. He's got a lot of stuff in there. He threw me this package of Fish Bites Fight Club. I like the name, so let's see. They say 6-inch grub, 4 count per pack, $8.99 a pack. Smackdown, I don't know what that means. It's scented. So this is equivalent to the gulp, well, not equivalent, we don't know how well it performs, but to the 6-inch grub from gulp, obviously. They swear that the tails don't tear as often, so we're gonna give that a shot. We're gonna check it out. Let's open it up. I already opened the package. I haven't used one yet, but let's check it out. It's definitely a little different texture. Nah, it's probably about the same texture. Feels pretty tough. Like, just from like a little stretch, it definitely feels, oh, you can see like the greasiness of it. It's pretty greasy. Just by stretching it, you can feel it. It could be a little, I've used a lot of grub. It could be, seems it might be a little tougher than gulp, but we'll see. Let's check a drag. Loosen that up a little bit. Yeah, I don't think we're doing anything. We're just sitting in one spot. This rod is freaking sweet. I can't wait to catch something nice on it. This thing has like 2 different modes. I call one normal and one sport mode. This little lever right here allows it to just go straight into free spool. Like, it'll just keep going. And then this lever will allow you to like kind of click it. I call that sport mode. So like, you're bouncing around, you need a little more line, just boop, bam. You got like a fluke tail in you, you know he's right behind the bucktail. Hit that button once or twice, give him a little extra line. Give me a little more incentive to like smack that bucktail. All right, so we didn't really have that strong of a tide this trip. So we decided to put the big baits away and switch to something a little smaller, like this gulp green paddle tail shad. Maybe in the next video, we'll give this product, Fish Bites, another chance. But for now, we're gonna stick to the smaller baits. I like it. Not a sea robin. Definitely not a sea robin. I like the looks of those head shakes. Nice bend to the rod. Look at that thing. Yeah. Definitely a fluker. Remember, Jim, 18 and a half. Looks kind of promising. Definitely not. No, tiny. Tiny, tiny. They look bigger in the water. Fluke are like the opposite of boats. They look bigger in the water than they do out of the water. That's what they say about boats. They say too small in the water, too big out of the water. That's very easy de-hooking. Let's see. Let's take a guess. Let's see how good my measuring is. Whoa. Let's get this. What do you guys think? It's just quick. I say 16 inch. See how good my measuring is. My eyeballs. 16 inch. Oh, I'm pretty good. Just a hair over 16, 16 and a quarter. What do you guys think? You guys on or off? Close? All right, buddy. See ya. First fluky of the day. Hopefully there's more. There we go. Hit like a freaking cement block. Not a cement block, just hit freaking hard. Little sea bass. Yep. Season is open for these, but he's too small. Beautiful color in him. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Those top hooks. Got to keep an eye on those suckers. Look at the color of this guy. What an absolutely gorgeous fish. Let him go. Got something here. Freaking sea robin. Yup. How did I know? There we go. Another sea robin, right? Foul hooked sea robin. What do you know? Sea robin central over here. Ugh. God damn it. Come here, you asshole. How did I know? Ooh, what is this? This feels good. damn it. Another one? Freaking hate those things, man. So much with a passion. There we go. Oh, caught up and about. Sea bass. Holy shit, this drag's way too tight. Alright. Little tiny thing. It's a little bigger, but there we go. There we go. Excuse my language, you can tell my frustration. That one fluke. I don't know if it's a keeper though. No. Excuse my language. No. Another 16-incher. I double check everything after the other day. Belly flop, bud. Alright, that's 2 fluke and 1 sea bass on the day. Alright guys, that's a wrap for today. Started off promising, then we got into Sea Robin Central. But end of the day with a fluke and a couple sea bass. So bite wasn't anything spectacular, but it was enough to put a video together for you guys. Alright, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button and leave a comment.